Hey guys, I'm Minha Nazar and welcome back to my channel Smug, a complete art channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic hair. Throughout the video, I'll be explaining how I drew this beautiful hair. So don't skip the video, and without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, I am using a charcoal pencil and blocking all the darker areas. I like to begin my works starting with a darker shade. So once all the darker areas are blocked, I am using a makeup brush and blending it really well. I am also using a tombo mono eraser and a white gel pen to add some fine hair strands. And as you see, I am working on it layer by layer. I am completing each portion and then moving to the next. So basically what I am doing is, I am just blocking all the darker areas using a charcoal pencil, and I am leaving the center part free because I want these areas to be highlighted, and then I am using a makeup brush and gently blending it. If you are interested in learning how to draw a realistic eyes and how to draw a realistic nose, I have made a separate video on it and I have linked it in the description below. So please check it out. And hey, if you are new to my channel, I would like to inform you that I'll be posting videos on charcoal and graphite portrait works, acrylic paintings, Arabic calligraphy, watercolors, and much more. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it right now, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. And if you have any queries, feel free to mention it in the comments below. Your support means a lot to me. Once the base layer is ready, I am using a tombo mono eraser and erasing some part, and I am also using a white gel pen and adding some fine hair strands. And once this part is done, I am using the same makeup brush and I am blending the corners of it so that it gives a natural look. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something useful from it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to share it to your friends too. See you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.